Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Grain markets all finished up higher yesterday with soybeans leading the way to the upside, all currently higher again this morning. One of the things that we saw the soybean market do yesterday was really exploded higher yesterday, both in old crop and this upcoming new crop. One of the main reasons was we got the USDA's baseline projections out yesterday, and they were much more bullish than the trade was anticipating. With that said, these estimates are usually like planted acres came in well below what they were expecting, as well as 2014-15 ending stocks came in well below what the trade was expecting. Usually the USDA misses on these numbers. Usually it's much higher. So the trade is kind of taken it with a grain of salt. It was enough to push it higher, and the market trades the numbers, and that's what they're trading right now. But in the ag forum next week, a lot of the trade is expecting these numbers to increase. And the USDA has missed bean planted acres. I think in 2009, I think they missed it by 3 million acres. So wouldn't be surprised to see these numbers rise when the ag forum is released. But it was enough to support the soybean market, both old and new crop. Tighter carryout supplies are really tight right now, and if you project a tighter carryout for next year, it's obviously going to support prices as well. So that was one of the main things the trade was looking at yesterday. Also, the meal market remains really strong, actually helping support the beans, and March beans actually closed at their highest level yesterday since mid-September. So with that said, wouldn't be surprised to see some position squaring ahead of the week. It's been pretty green for most of the markets this week. It's been a nice run for producers to catch up on some sales if you were behind. So wouldn't be surprised to see a little bit of profit taking at the end of the week here. So with that noted, we've also got a 3-day weekend coming up. The grain markets will not trade on Sunday night. They'll be closed all day Monday and won't reopen until the evening session on Monday night. So as such, there will not be a Wilkins Ag Wire on Monday, and Daniels Ag Services will be closed on Monday. So that's all we've got for today. If you need anything, let us know. Otherwise, have a great long weekend.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.